Hello, my friends. In this comprehensive lesson, we will thoroughly learn and effectively get to know the correct and most appropriate way to seamlessly add a new picture to your channel, which is an important visual element. Additionally, we will explore how you can easily change this existing picture to another, perhaps more suitable or updated one. So before we move on to the explanation, if this is your first time watching, don't forget to support me by clicking the subscribe and follow buttons, liking and sharing this video with your friends and family. So after opening the YouTube application as you typically would, you will then proceed directly to this specific location. Click on it and subsequently click on your designated channel name from this particular point. After that, you click on this pencil icon from here and then you can go directly to this specific place as you can clearly see right here. Simply click right here in this specific spot. Here in this specific area, all of the pictures that are currently available on your mobile phone device will automatically appear and be displayed for your convenient viewing. For example, I will carefully choose this particular picture and then I will click on it. After that, you will be able to easily adjust the overall size and dimensions of this selected picture to your precise liking and requirements. And here, you can also make some additional and further adjustments to the settings as you can clearly see and observe. At the very end, you simply click on this particular option. And as you can clearly see, the picture has been successfully and seamlessly added to my dedicated channel. And finally, you can readily use one of the incredibly popular apps, such as the exceptionally well-known Canva app, to create professional-looking logos and so on. If you've diligently made it to this point, please don't forget to thoroughly check out this helpful playlist. This comprehensive playlist contains a collection of highly informative YouTube tutorials where you will undoubtedly find many important and beneficial guides that you will truly appreciate and gain significant value from. Goodbye for now, my dear friends.